Good afternoon to you all, my dear audience. You are welcome to TGM Agricultural Research Center. And once again, I want to say welcome into the new month of November. I pray as God and His Spirit live it, we shall all witness the goodness in this month. Today I want to point out some important, points, especially that has to do with monetization and engagement. I usually tell my audience, the people that know the importance of engagement. If you are on social media and you still don't understand what engagement entails, you are just here to play. Yes, I can say it again. You are here to play. And the earlier you understand it, the better. Some people just think engagement involves just to record a video, show up your pants, your bra, show up your teeth. Everything is what they mean by engagement. No. When they said engagement, engage comprises of your reaction, your conversation, genuine, consistent and continuous conversation with your fellow followers. Consistent, continuous conversation, true communication. Yes, let me call that your consistent communication, maybe through exchanging of words, exchanging of text, reaction. Maybe you click on like, you click on love, you send emoji, you exchange conversation, you exchange message, you text someone reply. That is what they mean by engagement. And now listen, if you are a type of person that's too greedy and selfish, you don't know how to check on others, and this usually happens even in our local environment. If you are a type of person that's an introvert, you don't know how to relate with your friends, how to relate with your family, how to relate with people, your neighbor. My dear, you can't go far on social media. You can't benefit from social media because all these things has to do with interaction. Engagement means interaction. You interact with people. If you're a kind of person that don't know how to say good morning in your environment, I'm very sure you can never say it on social media, because that's your pride will inhibit you to do so on social media. If you're a kind of pride person, you say, because this person don't greet me, I will not greet him or her. Because this person don't check on me on my page, I will not check on him or her. You can't go far because you will not get engagement. Engagement involves reaching out to people. Not quite long, I get a badge from Facebook, and that badge means a rising conversation badge. That is someone in that analysis, the way they analyze it when they send it to me, that I'm a kind of person that reaching out to people, that I lure them out of their shell to make conversation. You should learn how to lure people out of their shell. People that are not willing to engage, you should have the the intelligence to force them. You persuade people, to chat with you. That is where you get engagement. Not that you say because someone don't engage with you. See, I'm a kind of person that I don't base on reciprocation. If I react on your video, if you don't react on mine, I will not because of that stop reacting on your video. Some people, if they don't see my message, they will think I don't engage with them. No, I engage with you through reaction at times. Go and check. If you know how to share people that react on your content, go and check. Click on love, click on like, it will list the people that react to your content. Some people I may not send message, and if I want to send message, I will send like 8, 10, 5 minimum message to you. I will say, how are you? How do you do? Why I didn't see you? All those questions, all those words that carry question mark, because I know those questions will lead to continuous engagement. Learn how to make continuous engagement, open-ended conversation. Learn how to use open-ended conversation. Not that I just say hi, hello. That is not engagement. You should know how to ask questions. Why I didn't see you on social media? Why this? Why that? You should know how to do that. That's why some people, while they are in school, they don't know how to write a simple sentence. They don't know how to write essay. If you are finding it difficult to write simple essay, you can't go far on social media. Please don't forget to like, comment, share. Follow my page or subscribe to my channel. So as I was saying, make sure if someone do not react or you react to the person, make comments, ask question. I'm very sure when you send a message that carry question mark, you send like 3 questions. Some people will just send like 1 message and they say they are engaging, and another person will send like 5 to you, 10 to you. If I send 10 messages, 5 messages to you, you send 1 to me, I will leave you because I will know you are a greedy person. I will like send like 5, 10 message to you and you are sending 1, good morning, hi, how are you? I will leave you and we face people. I will face serious people, serious one, people that know how to engage, people that can stay with me for 5-10 minutes on conversation. Will be because the more we are engaging that conversation, the more Facebook algorithm is monitoring us, following us, and it will that is how algorithm will be pushing the person to us. So go and learn how to make conversation, long conversation, not short, not I, not hello, but conversation. Write compound sentence. You know how to write compound sentence, simple sentence. That will drive conversation, genuine, positive one. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, follow my page or subscribe to my channel and come along with me.